Hello aspirants, today we are going to discuss about amazing facts about the states of Assam that is mainly useful for your UPSC preparations. It's extensive coverage of the physical characteristics of Assam, natural vegetations, a regional festival, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical sites, heritage sites, national park, biosphere reserves and also the wildlife sanctuary. This is very much useful for your all the competitive exam preparation. Let's move on to the key points about Assam. Assam, it is also known for the home in the gateway to the northeast of India. It is one of the largest state in this region. The Majuli, world biggest river highland that became the India's first river island district in the 2016. There is a key point that there is a number of districts is 33 and capital of Assam is Dispur, which is formed on the year of 1950 January 26th. The high courts of India, that is the high courts in the Assam, that is Guwahati. What is the official language of Assam? That is Assamese, Bodo, Bengali. These are the three important languages which speaks in the Assam region and it is known for the India's gateway of Northeast India. The first oil reserve of India were discovered in the Assam and also the first oil well in Asia that was drilled in Assam. The largest producer of bamboos in India, the largest producer of bamboo. The physical characteristics, mainly the land of plains and river valleys, the three principal physical regions like the Brahmaputra River Valley in the north, the Barak River, the Upper Suma River, that valley in the south, the hilly region between the Meghalaya to the west and Nagaland and Manipur to the east in the south central part of the state that's separating the two valleys. The natural vegetation which found in the Assam, that is a tropical moist deciduous and also tropical evergreens. The major rivers, that is Subansri, Lohi, Tellu, Tihang, Siang, Kopili, Thaleshwar, Barak, Daleshwari, Khamang, Brahmaputra, Khamang. The major regional festival which held in the Assam region, that is a Ambubachi Elephant Festival, Brahmaputra Beach Festival, Bihu, Majuli, Baishago, Baiko, Mehe, Dammi, Pi. The major art form of Assam was Assam School of Painting, Manuscript Painting, Music, Ainam, Bargit, Hiranam, Dihanam, Jikar, Hanchari, that is Malitas, Ballad, Dance, Satriya, Mnitriya, Bahona, Oja, Pali, Bihu, Jumor, Nachi, Dehangi, Gumrag, Dulia, Bavaria, Botal, Nisriya, Bagrumba. That is a important industries is festival, that is a fertilizer. It is famous industry in this area and paper industry, silk and textiles, sugar, chemical, electronics and cements, sawmills, plywoods, jute and also the match factories. There is a minerals found in the Assam region was hard sandstone, soft and loose sand, conglomerates, coal seams, shale, petroleum, sandy clays, limestones, and also major important agricultural harvesting is rice, tea, jute, oil seeds, legumes such as peas, beans, lentils, pulses, corns. So these are the major harvesting crops in this area, and also there's a geographical indication tag that is Muha silk, Tesbur litchi, Kabi hanglong, gingr. These are the major geographical indication. The state animal of Assam is Onon rhinoceros. The state bat is white winged wood duck. State flower, that is a kopu paul, that foxtail orchid. State tree is a holong. There is a Moidams, the mound burial system of the Home dynasty, that is Chipchoga, that is a main world important heritage historical site, that is a Kacheri ruins in Kaspur, carvings, the inscriptions, pillars on the Urvashi Island in the Gunwa. There is a world heritage sites like Kasiranga National Park on the bank of the Brahmaputra, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary near the border with the Bhutan. And there is a many important sites like Ramsar sites of Deeper Bill, biodiversity hotspots and also bat sanctuary. First of all, the national park is Dibu, Saikova National Park, Kasiranga National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri National Park, Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. There is a major biosphere reserve like Dibru, Saikova, Manas Wildlife Sanctuaries, and there is a main four tiger reserves in this area. in Assam, that is Orang, Kaziranga, Manas, Nameri. There is a elephant reserves like Sonitpur, Dihing Patki. There is a South Arunachal, Kasiranga, Khadbihanolong, Intanki, Chirangripu, Eastern Doras. There is a wildlife sanctuaries like Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary, Bareilly Wildlife Sanctuary, Barnadi Wildlife Sanctuary, Berjan, Borajan, Badmoni Wildlife Sanctuary, Burachapuri Wildlife Sanctuary, Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary, Deepur Bill Wildlife Sanctuary, Ding Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the wildlife sanctuary present in the Assam region, and also the East Kab Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary, Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary, Holengapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary, Lakova Wildlife Sanctuary, Marat Longri Wildlife Sanctuary, Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary, Nambor Daigrung Wildlife Sanctuary, Borbitora Wildlife Sanctuary, Pani Dilang Bird Wildlife Sanctuary. Thank you so much, guys.